Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm showing you how to fix your old fidget spinner problems. If you don't have the enough spin time that you want, you are definitely going to watch this video, right? So today I'm going to tell you how to increase your spin time and fix all of your fidget spinner problems. So let's get started. Your first step, grab your fidget spinner, put some water in it. Now it's good. Put all the water in its bearing and other stuff. And grab your soap like this and put some of it. That's what I did. Look. This is how you're gonna put some soap, liquid soap, in your spinner. And the next step, grab some water in your mug, just like that. Got no water. Dip your fidget spinner. Yo, just like that. Some more soap. Okay, got soap. Make sure that the soap goes into the bearing of your fidget spinner. Dip the spinner for some more time. And now grab your spinner. Freaking yeah, just like that. You're gonna do this a couple of times, just like that, so that your spinner goes perfectly well. Just like that. Drop it a couple of more times so that no dust could enter in the bearing of a fidget spinner. Okay, now get back to your mug. Okay, firstly you have to fix the bearing. So what you're going to do to fix the bearing, get the spinner and spin this up the mug if you can. Dip it just like that. Do it a couple of times. And if you're some sort of bearing like this one comes right off, don't worry. It's gonna get out too many times. You can easily fix it. And I'm gonna show you how to fix that. Just like that, and then do it. Just do it. And if that's done, the other step that you are going to do, get some cold water. Spill it all over your fidget spinner. And if some sort of bearings like this come off, don't worry. They are just freaking hell. And if you want more spin time, you can remove them. They're just for decoration purposes. Okay, I'm gonna remove all of my bearings. This one doesn't want to come off. Okay, I've got a solution for this one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you still don't want to come out. Okay, 1, 2, 3. No, he's a fucking hell. Oh, this one is a nice one. I think it doesn't want to come off. What the frag? I mean, I'm gonna take that. You done with those steps? Nothing you want to do to a fidget spinner. Just dip it in some water and get some soap. As you can see, I made some soapy water. So put your fidget spinner for 10 or 30 minutes in the water. As you guys can see, I've put my fidget spinner under the freezer, and I'm gonna put this spinner for about 2 to 3 hours. After that, we're going to fix it more. Done with that process also, what you're going to do, grab your fidget spinner, drop it a couple of times. For example, go to a higher place and then 1, 2, 3. So 2 bears are gonna come straight off. Don't worry about that. We are fixing it. Okay, now all 3 are bearings are here and my fidget spinner is right here. So now you can see we are able to increase spin time a little bit. Yes, we do. So now what you are going to do, stand up higher, a bit higher, and then hold this. 1, 2, 3, go. And that's what you're going to repeat for a couple of times. And if you want your fidget spinner to be super good, attach the bearings. Okay, let me attach it. Yeah, I managed to do this one. Come on, get in. No, he doesn't. Oh yeah, this one. Go. What the frick? Oh. Yeah. Hey, please get in. Oh. It doesn't move. What the? Yo. That's how you're gonna fix your fidget spinner. Oh! Some water just got in my camera lens. Oh. That's so weird. Now your fidget spinner is done. You can see mine is done already. Come on, focus. Yeah, that's a clear focus. As you can see, the bearings are gone. All the bearings. But my main bearing is fine though. As you can see, the main bearing is fine. Nothing else is fine. So this is how you fix your all fidget spinner problems. The last and final step, break it. You're done with the fidget spinner. You're done for your whole life. And don't ever buy fidget spinner. Thanks for watching.